gonna have breakfast out by this beautiful trailhead today, and we're gonna be eating the Peak Refuel biscuits, sausage, and gravy. Yum! So let's get cooking. Okay, well, I had to bring out the propane stove today to make this breakfast because we're under a burn ban apparently. Go figure, the week that I plan on tent camping and hammock camping this week, not only are the temperatures going to be warmer than I wanted, but I can't have a fire or anything like that because I had a couple of things I wanted to do some reviews for you guys on my channel, but not supposed to have an open flame. So I guess it's propane. So let's open this up and take a look at it while we're waiting on our water, because I think our water's just about done. Look at that, that boiled really quick, and I think there might be an ant or two down in there in my water. Not sure. Okay, well that boiled super quick. So let's turn this gas off. And I'm going to show you real quick what this looks like. This particular meal has like two big, huge things of biscuits in them. And then looks like it has some like little bitty crumbled bits in there. I don't know if you can see them or not. But anyway, we're going to just kind of break these biscuits up just a little bit, just to kind of give them, give the water a little bit more time to absorb in there. And then we're gonna pour our water in here. I'm gonna set it down on this table. Ooh, that's hot. So this calls for a 1.25 cups of water. And then we're gonna probably need to stir it a little bit, I would say, just to kind of incorporate all the bits a little bit. And then we're gonna seal it up. And I think it says probably, yeah, 10 minutes. So we're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. So I'll meet you right back here. Okay, now let's give them a taste. This is really good. The sausage is not hot, very mild. So if you like mild sausage, this will be perfect. If you like hot sausage, sorry. But let's taste one of the biscuits. Now you don't have to break the biscuits up, but I did just so that the water could soak it up a little bit more and it would, you know, cook a little more evenly. Yeah. I'd say though that the flavors are really mild, so there's a little bit of a pepper seasoning starting out of the package, but very, very mild. So this is a great little meal to make if you're out camping. It's freeze dried, and all you do is boil water, pour it in the bag, let it sit for 10 minutes, and you've got a breakfast that you can just sip and enjoy. Anyway, I'd say this is really, really good. Really, really good. The biscuits are a little crunchy, but around the outside, but chewy on the inside. The gravy is a slight pepper seasoning, but it's not overpowering. It's very mild, so if you've got kids that don't like strong flavors, this would be a perfect meal for them. Again, the sausage is not hot. And I think this is the first time I've made one of these, and the water consistency is just right. So if you follow the directions and do the 1 1/3 cup water, it'll be perfect. The big biscuits. That's just really yummy.